What's up, Dupe City fam? Welcome back to the Unmagical series by Dupe City Co. In today's video, you'll learn how to make the same Polynesian fragranced bath salts as Magic Candle Company for just a fraction of the cost. This DIY should take you around 50 minutes to complete on your own, and the results are fabulous. And because this fragrance is an extremely close duplicate of the scent that's actually used in the Disney Polynesian lobby, these salts make a fantastic quick gift for any Disney fan. Of course, as always, I'll link the fragrance and supplies you'll need in the description box below, and I'll be right here helping you through the entire DIY process of recreating your favorite Disney/Magic Candle products. I've also linked below our master fragrance source list video. You can refer to that video if you're looking for the supplier of any Magic Candle fragrance. And with all that said, I must remind you that I'm in no way affiliated with Magic Candle Company, nor do I make any profit off the products that I recreate. And considering a fantastic question I received recently, no, I'm not even affiliated with any rival company. Sorry, no Candle Wars here, folks. But doesn't Candle Wars sound like it could be the title of a terrible reality show? Maybe we're onto something. Let's get started. The product we are DIYing today is Polynesian bath salts, and to do that we are going to be using the Polynesian hibiscus fragrance from Wellington, and of course I've linked that below for you. Now this is the closest fragrance you're going to find in the fragrance world that matches the Polynesian lobby. It has really great nuances of fruits and florals and just smells very tropical. You're going to love it. I'm obsessed. To make 16 ounces, you're going to put in 1 cup of Epsom salt. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of coarse Dead Sea salt. Now we're going to stir just to incorporate the 2 salts together. You're going to do a lot of mixing later, so it doesn't have to be perfect right now. The next step is to add between 10 and 20 drops of our Polynesian hibiscus fragrance. I did use 20, it was perfect, not too strong, but if you're sensitive, use a little less. After the fragrance, just mix it up with your hands really well to incorporate the salts and the fragrance. Now I'm going to mix the coloring using a pink mica called Flirt from Mad Micas and just a vegetable glycerin I got off Amazon. Using just about a teaspoon of mica because a little bit goes a long way, and eyeballing the glycerin, stir until you make a paste. And you're ready to add the coloring. Now, if you want darker bath salts, drizzle in a little more color. I decided to make mine a really pretty light pink. Now it's time to mix the color thoroughly to fully incorporate the mica. And that's it, you're finished. You just created your own Polynesian bath salts. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and measure out your bath salts and put them in 8-ounce containers. It's not necessary. I decided to do that because why not? But this smells so fantastic. I wish we had smell-o-vision. You need to get this fragrance. You need to make these salts. It took less than 15 minutes for me, and to be honest, I've never made them before. But now I'm officially obsessed, and I'm going to be making these all the time. If you have a request for a fragrance, drop it in the comments below. But thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because we are dropping new videos multiple times a week. Thanks for watching.